Buenos dias! And welcome back to our channel. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So we are, I feel like we're always in our car, but we are on our way. We're on our way to Ruby's cousin's birthday party. It's gonna be at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yay!
And it's perfect because Ruby has been wanting to go to Chuck E. Cheese. Ruby has been wanting to go to Chuck E. Cheese, and this is just the perfect time. So we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese, and yeah. Right, Ruby?
Daniel's asleep and we don't want to wake him up.
Yeah, he's asleep. And right now we're gonna show you guys what we got her, because we got her a little gift. We literally just got it right now because I went to work and I just got out of work not too long ago, probably like an hour ago. It has like an hour ago, so I just got home. I got dressed and got the kids ready, and we went to the store to buy the stuff, and now we're on our way. But yeah, we will see you guys when we get there. I am now driving, and
Ruby's back here.
Ruby's back there.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. But guys, don't click, okay? Ruby's talking here, and so we're going to the party, and we got the gift.
And we are here.
Yeah.
I didn't get to show you guys the present. But
Yeah.
we are here.
But
Nathaniel's a little crabby today.
huh?
Nathaniel's crabby. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. I'll probably show you guys a little bit. But yeah. You like it? Look, you can sit here. Yay, picture! Oh, look at this! They want to take a picture now. Smile. Yay! Just like that, we are out. A ver, Ruby, ¿qué estás comiendo? Dipping dots? Yep, those are your favorite, right? And Nathaniel is drinking his bottle. And we are out and it's raining. Can you believe that? Yeah, we got out on time before it started raining a little bit more. We took a long time putting the tickets, but we had so much fun. You had so much fun, Ruby? It was actually pretty good. I think I've been here a couple times. I think I've been here just one time for a birthday party. I'm not sure whose, but I've been once. And then with Ruby as, you know, little, I've only been with her here 2 times. 2 times, Ruby, or 3? 3 times. I think it's only been like 3 times that I brought her to Chuck E. Cheese, which yeah, we've only been like 3 times because where we live there's no Chuck E. Cheese, so we had to drive this far, which is like 40 minutes away from our house. But we had, I don't think there's one, and the one that I seen was like they closed it down. But we had so much fun. And Gary, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for inviting us. We had so much fun, right, Ruby? As long as she, huh?
Including I got some.
Yeah, you had so much fun, right? Well, she got Dipping Dots, and that's another reason why she's so, like, you know, entertained and doing her.
Dipping Dots?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
She's doing her own thing because she wanted Dipping Dots, but I told her like she will get it at the end when we get out, because you know, I don't know who wants to buy Dipping Dots for their kids and who doesn't. But yeah, so we had so much fun. I actually had so much fun. I enjoyed. The wings are so good. I've never had the wings from there. They are pretty good. They're really, really good. I hope I'm going the right way. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Yep, you're going the right way.
So we just got to my in-laws house, and it's
Yes, that's a
pouring.
skeleton.
Well, you can't really tell. It's pouring, and Nathaniel's sleeping, and I still need to put his jacket on.
Baby, think
What am I gonna do? I gotta call Alan to
Just as a cat.
see right now. We'll see
A
how we're doing.
zombie.
So we just got home,
Yeah,
and
guys.
I got 2
I'm right here on the
pumpkins.
left. Mommy.
So I got 2 pumpkins because tomorrow we're gonna have like a pumpkin
Carve
decorating.
day.
Yeah, we're gonna carve pumpkins, and
But when it's carve day,
so I got my
when
milk.
it's pumpkin carve day, mommy's gonna buy me OMG doll, and she's gonna give me a surprise.
So we are now home. Like I showed you guys, I bought some pumpkins for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna get with my family, and we're gonna decorate and carve pumpkins as well. I went to get milk, water for Nathaniel because we didn't have any more water, and some grapes because me and Ruby have been craving grapes so bad,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so we've been craving grapes, so I bought some grapes as well.
We should have bought the baby shark cereal this time.
Yeah, we forgot to buy the cereal.
Yeah, baby shark cereal.
Ruby, be careful.
I'm sorry. And the cake too.
Yeah, so Ruby likes to bake cakes, and she likes anything that has to do with baking. So she wants to bake another cake. We just baked a pumpkin cake last time, right?
Right, yeah.
So we baked the pumpkin cake and she loved it. So now she wants to make a strawberry cake.
Yeah, and then we're gonna bake a chocolate cake, and then a rainbow cake.
Yeah, so she wants to do the rainbow cake. She wants to make a rainbow cake, so we're gonna make a rainbow cake. But yeah, so we just got home. I am so tired. I work tomorrow in the morning, and
Who am I gonna stay with after?
Daddy.
No, after.
No one. Daddy doesn't work tomorrow.
And then
She always asks this because
she does.
my
I
nephew.
don't know where I'm gonna go.
Yeah, my brother watches her when Alan goes to work, and then I go pick them up after I get out of work. So that's what she likes to hear all the time, because she loves being over at my brother's house. But yeah, so Ruby, we're gonna end our vlog.
And don't forget to subscribe to.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Every week we will be
let's
posting.
do the Elsie and Narnia videos.
Okay. Every week we will be posting once or twice a week. This is a new thing because I've been working a lot and I haven't been able to keep up with everything. So yeah, so we will be vlogging once a week. I mean, we will be posting once or twice a week, and yeah, so we will see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.